Hi, today me and Sammy want to show you how to make a Dalgona coffee.
The Dalgona coffee originated in South Korea and it's become well known as the lockdown drink. However, it's not a coffee just to be had during lockdown. It can be had any time of the year, hot or cold. Today we're going to show you how to enjoy it cold with ice cubes. As you can see, we've got everything prepped and ready to go. So we're going to talk you through the ingredients that you'll need and then how to make it. And it's a really simple recipe, so it should be fairly easy, fingers crossed.
Yes.
So to kick off with, you need a mixing bowl and you need either 2 tablespoons of instant coffee or
2 tablespoons of direct coffee.
So in this instance we've used Coffee Direct Coffee and we've put it through as a double espresso. So add 2 tablespoons of that into your mixing bowl. And then you need to follow that with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Okay, next step is mixing it. So if you're using a handheld mixer or you haven't got an electric whisk, it might take you a little bit longer. Luckily we've got an electric one today, so you won't have to watch us for too long. Okay, so we've made a little cut there so you didn't have to watch us whisk the whole thing, but all in all that probably took us about 1, maybe 2 minutes to whisk it. You need to whisk it until it's thick and it's frothy and it holds its shape basically, so I can turn this side to side and it's not actually moving anymore. So that's ready to go now. So the next step is you'll need your glass ready to make your coffee. We've picked our fanciest glass, so hopefully it looks pretty for you all today.
What you'll have to do is pour a bit of milk into the glass and also add a few ice cubes.
So you're going to go for more of an iced coffee vibe this time, but if you want to do it with hot coffee instead, you can follow the same process but heat up the milk before you add the milk into the, not a glass, but add your milk into the mug. And then what you're going to do is you're going to spoon the coffee mixture onto the top. Hopefully we'll do it so it looks fairly presentable for you. And it should hold on top of the milk, a little bit like an Irish coffee. It should sort of sit on top and float gently if everything goes to plan. It's a really good drink to make if you've got friends coming over or family, and it's just something a little bit different to impress your guests at home. And you can choose, with Coffee Direct, you can choose whichever blend you want to use. So if you're looking for something sort of rich and bold, or you want something a little bit sweeter and milder, there's plenty of flavours to choose from and blends on the website. So have a look, see what you fancy, and give it a whirl and see how you get on. So that's the finished result. You can spruce it up if you want with chocolate sprinkles, some icing sugar, a flake, whatever it is you want to stick in the top, and we hope you enjoy it.